Hey guys, welcome back. This is your friend Souvik and welcome to my channel Clash Addict Captain's Corner. Thank you so much for your support in my previous videos. Well, this one is not a guide video. It's a new update video. Normally for every action, COK has provided us some supporting heroes like research, building, troop training, etc. Like other players, I have also sent suggestion to COK to add a expansion and reformation hero. So here COK has approved our plea and there is a expansion and reformation hero already introduced here. Let's see what it is. So first of all we are going to the hero position. There is a red dot, expansion general manager, and let's see what this hero gives us. First of all, here we can clearly see the buffs we can get from this hero. It can reduce the need for the normal resources like food, wood, mithril and iron. But there are two features looking best here. First one is reducing the black gold stone for expanding and reducing the white gold stone for reformation. This is a very good chance to decrease the cost of expansion and reformation. And the second thing is while you are gathering in the mysterious sea, you will get extra resources from gathering there. Now we are moving towards a particular hero which gives us these attributes. Let's see. Let me open the hero. Here his name is Expansion Master Gaudi. Let's see the talents. First talent is to gain extra resources while gathering black gold stone. Now it reduces the other normal resources like food, wood, iron and mithril. Here are the talents. Next is while gathering white gold stone, you can get extra resources as well. Now when we go down, we can see the higher values of reduction in normal resources. Now the most important is the last two talents. Let us see. Here it is. It reduces the white gold stone consumption, and beside that you have the reduction of black gold stone as well. So in skills, when you first open it, at first star it gives you 80% rebate on your normal resources. It has a cooldown time of 70 hours. At second star it reduces the consumption by 50,000. At 3 star it gives you 80% resource bonus when you gather black gold stone. And at 4th star it gives you 80% bonus when you gather white gold stone. Remember, it's for the mysterious sea only. Now at 5 star it's crazy. It gives you 75,000 black and white gold stone immediately when you activate this skill. Now we come to how we can get the shards of the hero. You can see I have 1000 already. Let me show you how I got this 1000 shard. There is a expansion event going on, and when you complete certain levels, it is giving you this hero shards. Let me show you first. In this event you need to consume certain amount of black and white gold stone, and which gives you these shards by completing the task. You can see first box giving you 200, second box is giving you 300 and the third box is giving you 500. Total 1000 shards are available from here by completing these tasks. I guess in future also give us some more opportunities to get these hero shards. But if you want to get this hero immediately, you need to buy some packages. Here are the packages you can buy, and you will get this hero immediately. $10, there's a $50 and a $100 packs available to get this hero. So this hero is clearly giving us a very good opportunity to complete your expansion and reformation faster. I have added the link of the game in the description. Please encourage your friends to install the game and have some fun. So that's I had for all of you today. Remember, in comment section you can give me suggestions for on which topic I should make my next video. If you find this video helpful for you, please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Stay healthy till then, and goodbye for today, and of course keep gaming.